Hello guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Madhavi Yadav and I'm back with an amazing experiment where we learn about the concept of diffusion. So the first thing comes to the mind is what is diffusion? In simple terms, diffusion means the movement of substance from high concentration to low concentration to spread uniformly. So how this is going to happen? Let's take a look. So here we have two glasses, one filled with hot water and one with cold water. And here this is a fabric whitener, indigo. Now put some drops of this indigo in each glass, okay? And then observe it carefully. This is hot water. You can see that in hot water it spreads quickly as compared to cold water. So this is because in the hot water, the water molecules have more energy and are moving faster than the cold water molecules. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe.